Alright, here's another problem I ran into. Right back here, I gotta take my camber bolt out, and it's bumping this hose or whatever this is, maybe for air conditioner. I'm not exactly sure what it's for. And it was held in this little brace here, so I had to force the little brace open, pull it out, and push it back out of the way because the camber bolt was bumping it, and it made it difficult to get out. So took me a few minutes there to move it to get it wiggled out, but I finally got it pushed back and finally wiggled it out, and now I'm about to just back and forth, and control arm comes right off, and just reinstall the other one. But just want to show you the problem that I ran into that I didn't see in doing this job. But that's another one. All right, be back in a little bit. Only one man. Gotta use both hands to work.